Xbox.
Hey guys, it's Roscoe with Parts People. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the USB I/O circuit board on the Inspiron 15R 5537. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this 5% discount coupon. Slide the latches over to unlock the battery. Lift the battery out of the laptop. Loosen the screws. Remove the access door. Remove the hard drive screws. Lift the hard drive out of the laptop. Remove the screws. Turn the laptop over and open it up. Using a flat head screwdriver, carefully push the keyboard locking tabs in to loosen the keyboard. Carefully turn the keyboard over and unplug the keyboard cable. Unplug the palmrest cables. Remove the palmrest screws. Remove the palmrest. Unplug the cable. Remove the screw. Remove the circuit board. Are you looking for some more tutorials? Check out these other videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out partspeople.com where we have hundreds of tutorials and hundreds of thousands of parts. Thank you for using Parts People for your video tutorials.